over the last 2 or 3 years, what is the biggest shift you have seen in how Amazon PPC actually works versus how seller think it works?
I believe the biggest shift that I've seen is if sellers are not going to consider that the platform is changing as any marketing platform, they are going to be left behind. The easiest way to see that you're being left behind is one, ad cost is going to ramp up even higher for you and your listings and your brand. And then the second thing, you're going to see that people are picking up competitive advantage creatives. It's not only the competitive advantages that you had previously, but is a must, So if I'm looking back 5 years ago when actually I started selling on Amazon, and long story short, from our own brand, now I transitioned into agency life, right? And I'm seeing this from both of a side of a seller as well as an agency owner. These are the hardest discussions to get them understand that 5 years ago, you could get away with an auto campaign with little to no optimization. Today, while auto campaigns still work, you cannot anymore get away with little to no optimization. Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world, right? They are in the business of making money. You have to be aware of that. Are you with them or against them? Right.
I feel like many sellers are still playing an old version of the game.
Yeah, they do.